Welcome to Lalan Weight Loss Channel. Discover how much weight we gain while Christmas holiday in this video. But before, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. How to drink water to really lose weight. When dieting, what we eat is as important as what we drink. Can this well-known adage, repeated over and over by many food specialists, become a slimming asset? Bob Harper, a charismatic American sports coach, seems to believe so and has even made it his hobby horse. This slimming specialist became famous by publicizing his unstoppable technique for losing weight, drinking several glasses of water before eating, while drastically limiting the number of calories ingested during meals. This method, which has won over many Americans, has also been strongly criticized by specialists who, although they agree that water is essential for the proper functioning of the metabolism, it should not be considered as a means of losing weight. Water acts on the body to help you lose weight. When you are hungry, your body sends a signal to your brain to let it know that you are hungry, waiting for a response. But it's important to know that the same signal is sent when you're thirsty. In other words, an afternoon craving could be solved by drinking a simple glass of water. When it is no longer an illusion but you are really hungry, water helps you to reduce this feeling by reducing your desire to eat. You should also know that water speeds up your metabolism. In other words, it gives your body more energy to function, and therefore to burn calories. Calories that can also be eliminated more efficiently. After all, it is always water that enables your body to get rid of accumulated fat and waste. Water will therefore help you to optimize your efforts to lose weight. 2 studies have proven this. The first, conducted by researchers at the University of Virginia, showed that in 2 samples of women who were on a diet, those who drank at least 2 liters of water a day, while the others only had to drink when they were thirsty, lost, on average, 2.3 kilos more than the others. A second study, conducted by British researchers, also compared 2 groups of overweight people. While the first group had to drink half a liter of water half an hour before each meal, the second was asked to simply imagine the feeling of satiety before eating. At the end of the experiment, the participants in the first group lost an average of 1.3 kilos more than those in the second group. Does this mean that water is the best diet option? No. Many dietitians agree that water is an ally, but not a determining factor. To lose weight, a healthy, balanced diet combined with physical activity are the only really effective remedies. Drinking water before meals can help people lose weight if they adopt a healthier diet and increase their physical activity, the authors of the British study conclude. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share.